Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not installed on the application of Sample Guys. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about the application of Sample Guys and you will click. In this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you, then you can just update your app on Play Store. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.